वर्कशॉप हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल था और आई होप कि ऐसे वर्कशॉप और होगी, हमें और ज़्यादा नॉलेज मिले दूसरे सारे ऐसे मतलब जैसे और भी कलर है अलग अलग एप्लीकेशन नहीं पता है तो हम करना चाहिए, तो वर्कशॉप हम बहुत कुछ
Anyone from first year?
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मेटलेब के बारे में हम फर्स्ट ईयर वाले को तो बिल्कुल भी जानकारी नहीं थी। हमने पहली बार मेटलेब का नाम सुना, हमें अच्छा लगा मेटलेब के वर्कशॉप पे काम करके। हमने कुछ कोडिंग वगैरह भी सीखा था, तो हमें सीख के अच्छा लगा। हमें वर्कशॉप में बहुत अच्छा था। इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत मतलब नहीं है, पर अच्छा है।
Anyone from third division? Dara?
Good evening, sir, and authors and passenger. The case workshop was arranged for Friday incident. The session was high-level session and skill session as well as knowledgeable. I hope that for the future we arrange this workshop.
Yes, first year girl. So I think I hope that everyone should share that gain some knowledge from this workshop. Am I right? So you can this use your knowledge in your research, in your subject, in your higher semester subjects, or we can say if you are from computer department, you can use this MATLAB in your machine learning and AI. Yes or no? Okay. So now, first and foremost, that I extend my heartful gratitude to our principal sir, that is Dr. K.V. Jugal sir, for granting the permission of organizing such this type of event. I also sincere thanks to Dr. G.V. Jani sir and Dr. M.K. Chudasama sir, that is SSIT coordinator, for their constant encouragement and guidance, which always motivated us to organize this type of workshops in our college. Your leadership is highly appreciated. I would also like to thank our HOD sir, Professor S.M. Vaishnav sir, for allowing us this type of workshop organizing within our department. I would also like to sincere thanks to our extreme experts, Dr. B.M. Parmar sir, Dr. Ishaq Sheikh sir, Professor P.M. Bala sir and Dr. S.K. Parmar sir, for sharing his valuable knowledge and expertise with us over the last 2 days. Your insight and experience have given us lot of useful information in terms of subjects, in terms of algorithms, in terms of presentations and everything. So we are truly grateful and honored to have had you with us. I would also like to thank event coordinators and event coordinators, Professor Neha ma'am and Professor Hemal sir, for their continuous support in organizing this workshop and providing the resources for the students. Your hard work and dedication have been crucial to its success. Lastly, I would congratulate to all the students who are actively participating in these workshops. Once again, a big thank you to everyone. Now, I would like to invite Dr. D.V. Jani sir to present a moment to our expert Dr. S.K. Parmar.
चालू रखो।
Thank you the students and thank you the experts, faculty members and all of you who are indirectly and directly involving in these workshops. So this is a conclusion of these workshops. Now
actually such no schedule was there for the topic, but as it is a concluding session, in the inauguration I have asked you one question, that what is machine learning, and one or two students have just raised their hand. Now I think when I ask what is machine learning, all of you should raise your hand, isn't it? So what is machine learning? किसको आता है? अभी मैं पूछूंगा नहीं, एग्जाम नहीं ले रहा हूँ. Still, you are having the hesitation. सबको
Just
पता
aware
होगा.
about what is machine learning. You are not calling about master of machine learning, but aware about what is
Just you can-
components of it.
You can lower down your hands. Why I am asking this? Because your knowledge of machine learning was zero when we started, and I hope that you might have reached up to 1. You are not master of the subject or topic, but you have learned something. This is what the objective is for this workshop. We are not expecting that you will become master in 2 days, but now you know what is the capability of that software. What are the things you can do in your innovation journey. आपका फील्ड कोई भी हो सकता है, सिविल, इलेक्ट्रिकल, मैकेनिकल, सब में ये चीजें आप यूज कर सकते हो. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड नो व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल ऑफ दैट. Now in electrical, EC and computer, there are various fields in which you can utilize this machine learning concept as a concept, and then how to solve the bigger problems by using this. So this was the objective, it is fulfilled. The other thing which I wanted to convey is that हमने एक SSIT का सेमिनार किया था. उस टाइम पे one of the student has told me that I have certain idea, but then nobody believed me. तो आपको अभी आना है मेरे, अभी मतलब कभी भी आना है मेरे पास और आपको आइडिया शेयर करना है, हम उस पर काम करेंगे. और किसी के पास भी अभी आइडिया हो जिसको आपको लगता है कि मुझे इसमें काम करना है, इज इनोवेटिव एंड एक्जेक्टली लीड टू स्टार्टअप, देन दे कैन कम. और दूसरी चीज़, हम एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट सेल में अभी स्टूडेंट का रिक्रूटमेंट, मतलब स्टूडेंट कमिटीज है, उसमें अप्लाई को एक ब्रोशर में शेयर करूँगा इन आवर फैकल्टी ग्रुप, दे विल शेयर टू यू. So you can become member of these committees and we can organize such other programs which is required by the students. उसके लिए भी मुझे मिले थे जब एनडीए का विजिट था 13 तारीख को. 12 तारीख को मुझे 3 स्टूडेंट आके मिले कि सर हमको करना है. मैंने बोला ट्यूसडे को आओ. उसके बाद कोई मिलने आया नहीं. फिर एग्ज़ाम थी. तो डोंट हेजिटेट, आपको करना है, हम साथ मिल के करेंगे. बट जब तक आप आगे नहीं आएंगे हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So for that, I just wanted to say a few words that come forward, we'll work together and we'll organize such workshops which are need of the hour. ये सब्जेक्ट्स ऐसे हैं कि अभी जैसे मैंने बोला मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स आर एंटरिंग इनटू दिस फील्ड. मुझे मशीन लर्निंग के बारे में बहुत सारा पता है और मुझे काम करना है, मैं कर सकता हूँ. आपका तो ये बेसिक है, अगर आप ये भी नहीं करोगे तो फिर आपको फील्ड में प्रॉब्लम्स हो गए. तो that's why these subjects are very important for you being electrical, EC or computer engineers. So just start working in this direction. It is just the ignition. Now if you want to make fire, then your fuel is to be added into it. मैं ये भी कहता हूँ कि आपके पास दो चीज़ है, टाइम एंड एनर्जी बोथ. जो आपको सोच समझ कर अभी आप यूटिलाइज करोगे, then you can work wonders. नहीं तो क्या होता है, जब आपके पास टाइम होगा तब एनर्जी नहीं होगी, और जब एनर्जी होगी, जब आप फील्ड में जाएंगे तब आपके पास टाइम नहीं होगा. तब हम बूढ़े हो जाएंगे तो हमारे पास टाइम ही टाइम होगा, एनर्जी नहीं होगी. राइट नाउ ये जो आपके 3 साल 4 साल जो भी है, आपके पास टाइम भी है, एनर्जी भी है. सो यूटिलाइज दीज थिंग्स इन पॉजिटिव वेज एंड यू कैन वर्क वंडर्स. यहाँ पर बैठे भी, लाहौर में बैठे भी आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. जस्ट थिंक, इमेजिन एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन. So with these words I just rest my speech.